Red monkey rides the candy slide with lollipops on every side. He laughs and twirls in sugar rain, then slides back down again and again. Blue monkey zooms through snow so white, gliding fast from morning to night, with snowflakes dancing in the air. He flips and spins without a care. Yellow monkey builds a sandy tower, plays with waves and sings for hours. He sips on coconuts so sweet, dancing barefoot in the heat. Green monkey swings from tree to tree, chasing birds and bumblebees. He hides in leaves, then shouts surprise, with jungle sparkles in his eyes. Purple monkey reads by starry light, in books that fly and glow at night. He writes a page through floating doors, exploring dreams and magic lore. Pink monkey bounces cloud to cloud, singing silly songs out loud. Heart-shaped bubbles fill the air as rainbows twirl her cotton hair. Orange monkey leaps with glee near lava rocks and a giggling tree. He roasts a snack with fiery flare and does a dance in the smoky air. Brown monkey floats in outer space, bouncing stars in a cosmic race. He slides on Saturn's glowing ring and waves as all the aliens sing.
TuttuguttuTV.